Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. We can use about interpretation by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to the square root of number 2 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 2 sine t square, number 2 and number 2 with number 4. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. Dx we change for this one. This one that is about number 2 sine t square. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. So number 4 and number 4, we can do about factorization. So this one that is about cosine t square. The square root of number 4 cosine t square, that is about number 2 cosine t. So cosine t and cosine t we simplify, and we just have like this. This one that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And we got about t equals to arcsine of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer.